Hi everybody, this is the day. I got finally my license plate to my Audi A8 with the 1.2 TDI engine, and now I'm doing my first test drives, and the cruise control is working and basically everything else is working at the moment, but the RPM signal is showing a little bit wrong RPM at the moment. At the moment I'm driving 100 kilometers per hour speed at cruise control in 6th gear, and I have already driven with few kilometers, and the average fuel consumption Gauge shows 6 liters. I haven't yet calibrated is this the correct fuel consumption or not, because the RPM is off, so this might be also off, so I will know that later. But basically everything is working. Concerning the engine, the average speed is there with the cruise control, and I can also see with the VACCOM data that the coolant temperature stays steady at 80 to 84 Celsius, so it's not even where it should be at 90 Celsius. I don't have any fan at the moment, and looks like I won't be needing that, and I can start blocking the front grille to lower the aerodynamic drag. And now I'm logging some data to start calibrating the engine control unit to this car and this setup, and fine-tuning will take a lot of time and work to get this working nicely, but already this is a one heck of a car. I will lose my license, I can guarantee that. It's so much fun. So keep watching my YouTube channel and follow the project on Facebook, and keep tuning your Audi A8 this time. Remember,